you ready? Let's cook. Pour that milk in. Yeah. 2 eggs. You got them. Separate them. Egg white and egg yolk. Yeah. Melt that butter. How to melt them? Boil the water. Put the bowl in. Start stirring, and there you go, in the butter. Yeah, stir them up. Mix them well. Next is the egg white. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Here we go. Woo! Yay! Next, flour. Put them all in, but not all at once. You gotta put little by little. Stir and go. Add them. Stir them. Add them. Stir them. Add them. Stir and stir and stir and stir and add. More flour. Yeah, you go. There you go. Now that's the baking powder. Woo! Yeah. And the sugar. Tastes so good. Yep. Pour them all in and screw the cap. And start spinning again. Woo-hoo! Let it rest for 30 minutes. You know, gotta rest. Now, while waiting, heat up your machine and start putting on butter. Butter it up. Woohoo! Butter it up. Woohoo! Yeah, there you go. Butter it up. And when it's after 30 minutes of that butter sitting down, you can pour them all in. Not all, just a little, just enough. Wait for a minute. No, wait for 3 to 5 minutes. And there you go, the perfect waffle ready for you. Woo-hoo! Put it on the plate. Serve it with anything you like. Maybe, I don't know, ice cream. Look at my waffles. Woo! That's I'm talking about. With ice cream. Oh, that looks like shit. Oh, never mind. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.